Hi, I'm Petros, and I'm with Playgrounds.com. And around here, I'm known as one of the Find It, Fix It guys. Our certified playground safety inspector team is all about finding and fixing trouble spots and safety issues on your playground and equipment. Here's the top 6 to fix. Loose fill safety surfacing materials like rubber mulch or wood mulch are popular, cost-effective surfacing options for playgrounds. However, loose fill in your play area, especially in high traffic zones like under your slides, needs to be raked back so you have a minimum depth of 9 inches. So it's a good idea to have a rake and an extra supply or a few bags of wood or rubber mulch on hand for spot repairs. Another top 6 is your border. Important to keep in the loose fill and to better define your playground. Here's a border that's beyond repair. So what you want to do is unsecure the spikes, take out your border, and then replace it with new. Once you've done that, you take your spikes and you hammer it back down to secure your border in place. Have a hammer. It's easy to get new borders by the piece and some long spikes and that hammer. Pretty simple to secure the border back into place. Number 3 on our top 6 to fix list is swings. Swings are probably the most used and abused pieces of playground equipment. All right, we got ourselves a broken seat here. Here's a bucket. You can see here it's already starting to crack. These seats are pretty beat. This belt seat is falling apart. We have a brand new seat. So select your new seating, belt or bucket, and it's a good time to replace old hardware, like this worn out attachment. So when you're ready to replace your swing hardware, this is a top hanger that goes to your top post with the pendulum and the clevis. With your Allen wrench, you'll tighten the bolt into place. There we go. Now we know it's nice and secure. Once you have your top hanger secured, we're gonna work our way down to the seat. Here we get the end of the chain and the clevis. We're gonna take our Allen wrench and loosen the bolt to the clevis. Once the bolt is free, we're gonna take the swing, go through there, attach the chain and bolt it to the clevis. And again, we'll take our Allen wrench and we'll tighten the bolt. Just nice and secure. We have rusted nut and bolts. We need to get those replaced. When checking the hardware of your structure on your play area, you want to make sure it's all securely fastened. Have a toolbox and replacement nuts and bolts to tighten or replace as needed. When checking the hardware to your structures, you want to make sure that it's all there. Here we have an obvious missing bolt, causing a loose climbing foot hazard. We want to make sure we get the correct hardware and get that tightened. Give TLC to older equipment and keep newer stuff looking new. It will likely look better and last longer if you do. The sooner you fix, the faster you can slow or stop any more damage. For scratches in plastic or decking that's peeling off, recoat it using a repair kit or use a spray or brushed on compound to patch it up. Use cleaners or special products to get rid of graffiti. Gently rubbing with brushes, scouring pads, or rags. Repaint if need be. Treat rust on surfaces as soon as you notice it. Rust and corrosion take a little more work. Sand it, then treat it with rust converter or protectant. Finally, you'll probably need to get out the paintbrush or spray can to repair or refresh playground pieces. Again, if it's rust, sand the surface first, then prep it. You could use a rust-fighting paint. To be thorough and to repair deeper cuts and gouges, you may need to scrape away the paint, use a polyester putty treatment like Bondo, then sand it and repaint using several light coats throughout. Sure, if in the end the damage is too deep, the equipment is too old, or the fix is too much to handle, you may want to consider replacement. Fun and safety for the kids and a peace of mind for you. It's job 1 at Playgrounds.com.